Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing MrBeastXBet.com. So right off the bat guys, I'm just going to say that this website is very obviously a scam. Since MrBeast doesn't have a site like this, and basically they didn't even try actually trying to make this website look good. There isn't even any pictures here. So as you can see, there are a lot of websites that look like this. One has Ronaldo's picture, one has Mr. Beast's picture over here, but this website is just empty. And as you can see, they just register, get a reward, player withdraw. Please do not enter any information in here guys. They're just fishing for your information. So for example, once they get your name, your address, your email, and basically your contact number, the next step would be to get your card number or credit card number. So please guys, do not fall for that. And as you can see, if you go to this website right here, you may notice that there's a different website, but however, take a closer look at the logo. It's basically the same, just with a different name and color. And yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.